A long time ago, in a peaceful village nestled near the mountains, there lived a wise old monk, known for his calm demeanor and healing words. People from far and wide came to him seeking guidance in times of sorrow. One day, a young man visited the monk. His eyes were filled with tears, and his heart was heavy. "Master," he said, "I am overwhelmed with sadness. Nothing seems to bring me peace. I feel lost in the darkness of my own mind." The monk smiled gently and said, "Let's take a walk." They walked through the forest until they reached a cliff overlooking a vast valley. A raven sat quietly on a rock nearby, observing them with curious eyes. The monk pointed to the raven and asked, "What do you see?" The young man replied, "Just a raven, black, loud, and often feared. It's seen as a bad omen." The monk nodded. Many people fear the raven because of its color and voice. They judge it without understanding, but look closer. The raven survives the harshest winters, finds food where others see none, and never complains about the stormy skies it flies through. It does not seek to be loved or admired. It simply lives, accepting the world as it is. Then the monk picked up a small pebble and threw it into the valley below. "Sadness is like that pebble," he said. "It weighs you down only when you carry it. But when you let it go, it becomes part of the earth again, no longer a burden." The young man looked at the raven again. It cawed once and took flight, soaring freely across the sky. "Remember this," the monk said. "Life will bring storms and sadness will visit from time to time, but like the raven, you can rise above it. You are not your sadness. You are the sky that holds the sun, the rain, and the storm. All of it passes." The young man bowed with gratitude. For the first time in a long while he smiled, feeling lighter, as if he too could fly. Moral: sadness is a part of life, not the whole of it. Accept it, but don't hold on to it. Like the raven, rise above your fears and doubts. You are stronger than your struggles.